when to proceed and when to stop. It's all about timing. Getting the hang of approaching double-lane roundabouts is vital to safe driving and passing a driving assessment in Australia. If you spot traffic already inside the roundabout, it may be time to slow down and give way. Always base your actions on the distance and approach speed of drivers to whom you might give way within seconds. In this scenario, the green hatchback stopped to give way, but the driver could have cleared before the SUV got too close. If you doubt a good opportunity, you will likely hesitate for a moment and miss that chance to proceed. Now, I am proceeding at a similar distance from the car on my right, and as you can see, I have plenty of time. Check my rear view. You can tell that the vehicle never threatened my transit through the roundabout because I didn't hesitate when I saw the safe gap. The following situation demonstrates otherwise. The ute with the trailer should have waited because I could have easily caught their trailer if I hadn't slowed down. If you cut someone off in the driving test like this, you will fail. By the way, don't change lanes inside the roundabout. Wait until the line becomes broken before you attempt changing lanes. Early planning will always positively affect your flow. I'm approaching another roundabout here. You should anticipate traffic around that roundabout from the point where the 60 sign is. If you are preparing to stop, your approach actions will be different than if you are getting ready to proceed through. Always make sure that you are in the correct lane depending on where you're turning, because it might be too late to change lanes. This time I'm judging not only the indication that the white Golf driver is signalling, but also their approach speed. I was sure they would turn because the driver slowed down significantly, which suggested they wanted to prepare for a sharp turn at the entry point. If the driver went deeper into the roundabout, they would likely slow down much later. To drive confidently around roundabouts, broaden your observation when approaching busy intersections and implement this knowledge to maintain a good flow in give-way scenarios. I always say the most threatening environment for modern humans is roads. No bears or dinosaurs chasing us down the street, but cars are everywhere. Please drive responsibly. As always, feel free to ask any related questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.